Today, I want to teach you how to create your pictures and animate them on the same app, which means you'll be generating your pictures on this very app and you'll be animating your pictures on this very app. Now, there are a lot of people who actually create faceless TikTok or faceless YouTube or faceless channels, and they don't know how to animate them. They only use pictures, which is not going viral that very much, okay? Today, I'll be teaching you how to do a very nice one.
Hi, my name is Okobuchi. On social media, I teach you how to monetize your social media platforms, how to edit videos, how to grow on social media, how to use every AI app that is booming on social media right now. Yes.
Because AI is the latest market. So today I'll be teaching you how you can actually generate a picture and then put this picture into motion, okay? If you don't have money, if you're a beginner, you are starting a YouTube channel, you're a beginner, you don't want to be paying for apps, you don't want to pay for expensive apps, this app is actually for you. The app is not 100%, like it's not the 100, let me be factual, okay? It's not the best of best, but this app can actually help you as a new YouTuber who wants to start a YouTube channel, a faceless YouTube channel, and you need to motion your pictures. You need to put your pictures to motions so they can actually stay interesting for people to watch, okay? So let's go. Let me show you how to create these pictures and then how you go and animate these pictures or put them to motion. Let's go. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and don't forget to share the video.
Okay, now first thing first, what we need to do is we go to ChatGPT. You all know ChatGPT is one of that app I cannot do without, okay? Now let me open my ChatGPT app and show you guys what I got, because I already prepared my prompt, because if you want to be writing this prompt together, it's going to take like 1 million years, okay? It's going to take like 1 million years. So yeah, because I don't want these videos to be long, the AI teaching videos, we don't have to make them long. So here is a prompt. Like first prompt, I asked ChatGPT to give me realistic pictures slash AI pictures, like 3D looking realistic, okay, images of cats, and I want this cat to be in different locations with different emotions, okay, like different locations, different emotions. So this is what I actually got. ChatGPT actually gave me prompt of a hyper realistic image of two, you all know. Now I'll slowly walk through this. I'll slowly scroll through. So you guys screenshot, please. Just screenshot your screen and then you copy this on the screenshot. So this is the first prompt, right? This is the second prompt. If I have to read through, it will be taking us a lot of time. So this is the second prompt, right? Second and third prompt. Now you have the third prompt. What happened here is, when I wanted this other prompt, like, okay, I actually said, no, that's not it here. Okay, now when I wanted this other prompt, what I did was, please, above prompt, make drama with emotions like crying, fight, broken glass, falling off the cliff, and some in the forest, because I wanted this cat to be dramatic. The ones ChatGPT gave me, if you can read them, you see that way they were just loving and and yeah. So when it comes to AI, we need to make some drama. So I wanted the dramatic, and AI gave me back this. Okay, you can see shattered glass flying through the air. The male cat is a muscular organ, the tabby wearing. Okay, I'm so shitty when I'm trying to read fast, and I know people are actually watching. It's crazy. I get to read rubbish. Anyways, but yeah, me not shouting. So these are the prompts, please. You screenshot, you block and screenshot. You stop, pause and screenshot them, okay? You can see this one I highlighted. That's the one I just copied because I wanted to create the image, So you can see all this I like, because they give you everything. You can see they're giving you like the tabby cat falling background off a rocky cliff. You can see his white shirt is torn, flapping in the wind as he reaches out with one hand. Eyes wild with terror below him. Like the details, I like the details. I don't know, but the details are always catching me, okay? So read this through, my people. Read this through. Now, when we are done reading through, let's go to make these animations, okay? These animations. Now I'll copy this one. I'll copy this prompt because I did the first prompt. Let's copy the second prompt. Now, when we copy the second prompt, the next app we are going to is Leonardo.ai. If you want to be creating this, we are going to Leonardo.ai. Now, if you get to Leonardo.ai, I know everybody must have registered on this website because if you're on my page, I talk about it like hundreds and million times. Once you register on it, you click and you paste your prompt. When you paste your prompt, don't forget your style, everything remains the same. Your settings, how you want your image to come out remains the same, okay? Which means you'll be putting your style to 3D render. You'll be putting your image dimension to the TikTok image dimension or the YouTube dimension if you're using it for YouTube. So let me show you guys the first one. Here is TikTok and 16.9 is YouTube, like that, and 9.6 is the TikTok form, okay? Now when you're done, you click here on generate. Let's wait for it to generate. Let's wait for it to generate, okay? Okay, so can you see how expressive this is? I don't know, but yeah, for me, it looks, it looks good. Yeah, let's enlarge this. It looks good. Yes, this is a perfect one. Let's take other images and generate them all. I'll go back and I copy another one. I'll go back, I copy again this one, copy, and bring it back to Leonardo.ai. Once we finish generating these images, then I will tell you how to put them to motion. Okay, now this, click on generate. Each generation take 10 tokens. Okay, and if you don't like what you get, you can redo it again. That's a good thing. If you don't like what you get, redo it again until you get the desired one that you want. Okay, this one, I love it. Like there's rain, the guy is sitting and crying, makes a whole lot of sense. Okay, now we take this other one. Okay, this one, copy, come back to Leonardo, Leonardo, copy and paste. I'm doing this because everybody is not the same. You already know you can copy and paste and come back. Some people, we need to walk them through the process, right? Because yeah, that's the good thing about teaching. You walk people through the process so they don't get stuck. That is, if you want to teach people, okay, this one, I love it. This one, mwah. This one, I love it because the cat is not cat, it's cat person. So this one is, yeah, it's a yeah for me. Okay, now let's take the last one. Let's take this one. Broken and shattered homes. Final fareway at the sunset cliff. Okay, let's try this one. Let's take this one. Let's take this and go back. Please bear with me if you want to learn. And let's click. Let's go and see what we got. What do we have? What do we have? Oh, guys, don't mind me. What do we have? Let's see what comes out. Then I'll show you all how we can motion this. Oh, baby girl is crying. Baby girl is heartbroken. Baby girl is crying. Okay. So yeah, now we have this picture. Okay, we have pictures. Now let's motion these pictures. Do you know the good part is? The good part is you can actually motion these pictures on this very Leonardo.ai. Sorry. You can do that here. Now what you need to do is, this is the picture and you want to put it to motion, you click here. You see down here, look down here. Info, remix, upscale. You can upscale this image if you don't like it. Okay, you can see motion, you can see more. You see more? This is what you have under more, which means you can remove the background. You can edit this video, this picture on Canva. You can do what you want to do with it. Now let's click on motion on this picture. Motion might be 10, but don't overdo it. Okay, motion 10, and generating this motion takes you 25 coins. Okay, Yeah, and these 25 coins, you have them here. Like they're asking you to upgrade, but you can still do it. So let's click on motion and wait. Because the free coins Leonardo is giving you, you can use these free coins to motion these images. Mind you, Leonardo is not like the best for motion, but if you're a beginner and you don't want to rush things and you don't want to spoil things for yourself, you can use you can use Leonardo for motions. Like, don't be scared to use it. Yeah, you can use it for motion. It is better than using the motions on CapCut sometimes, okay? Because I know some people only put motions in their videos or their pictures from CapCut. They don't know any other app. But when apps are starting like this, you should always try to check them out. Excuse me. Always try to check them out. Always try to use their new features. So you'll be getting credibility from this app. Okay? Now, okay. Now I'll say this is what we got. Okay. Not good, but let me show you how you get this picture, this video. You can use it. You can use this picture. I think let me save it first. Then I'll go show you how you can use it without getting this. Okay. This is the picture again. Now let's try motion again, but 5. Let's not take it too high. Let's do 5. Let's do the motion for 5, okay? Because I took it 10, which means the motion was supposed to be too much and it could mess things up. So we'll use the 5, and I'll show you how you can actually reduce this motion or cut out the bad part, like where the cats were almost getting to, they were almost, how they saying it, exploding. You can go cut it off from CapCut and use the shorter part where they were just trying to run. You see that motion of running? Yes. But let's do the 5 motion and see what we have. So you guys can get to understand me that I think I added the motion too much. So yeah, let's wait. This is for YouTube beginners. So people want to start beginning to be posting on TikTok, on Instagram, Reels, YouTube Shorts. This. Okay. Now, Leonardo still needs to get this together anyways. So let's go to CapCut now and let me show you how to put this one that we already have. So this is where they started running. Like, so from here, you cut it. You split and then you delete this part. So you have this. You understand? So this is actually usable. You can use this. Then you add other scenes before the image is getting worse. You all know if you're not paying for AIs, you're not getting the super, super good version, of course. So please, that's it. You can use this and you can remove this. You can crop it and remove this. Let's crop it and remove this logo, you know, the Leonardo image. You crop like that and remove their logo, and yeah, your video is ready to be used.